Sweet, dude. I'm so
Riza.
happy. I'm. Gotcha, bitch.
I just saw that.
What is this, TDM?
Yeah.
Ah. I'm not
Dude,
doing
I'm
too bad.
sucking straight nigger ass.
I don't think I told you I'm recording a video, did I?
Hey, dude, I don't fucking care.
Okay, good. I've
You
taught you
little
well, young
bitch.
master.
Fuck you, Rosa Parks. Got the bag of us. Oh my god, I grandma's a savage.
Oh.
He's like, yo mama, she ain't got a pot to piss in, she ain't got a window to throw it out. I'm like, oh my. He's in there screaming. I ain't buying the whore goddamn beer.
Oh.
Ow. I'm sucking straight ass.
That's okay. Don't you usually suck straight ass?
I mean, depends what kind of ass it is. Dude, come on. We were all fucking in the orange house, and then some little fuckboy comes up. Woo!
Dude, you just saved my life. Wait, what? My tomahawk's up. Tomahawk. Nope. They won. I went 22
Dude,
and
that guy
12.
sucks ass. My name is Nadi Leeds 11. I got 8 and 8. I'm an retard.
What the heck?
There I am with my gold AK that I picked up off the ground. Step up or you wanna get fucked in the ass.
Billy the goalie.
That guy was
No one
annoying me
cares.
right there.
You
The
what
girl,
have you done?
the girl was annoying
No.
me so much.
I don't think I read that right.
Girl's annoying me. Oh my. What?
Well, I'm not saying I love Angry Grandpa, but I mean he's funny whenever he
Yeah,
destroys
he's
his son's
funny.
PS4
Yeah, I know. He's
over
so
cookies.
funny. he's like, nah, goddamn cookies. We'll be the goddamn shooter. He's like, "Ma, you goddamn PlayStation more important than my goddamn cookies." And then he was like, it was so funny. And then he was like, remember he has the, one time he went over to Michael's house and he's going upstairs, he's like, motherfucker, ah! He's like screaming it. And then, and he goes up there and then Michael's sitting there playing with toys. And then Grandma's like, what are you doing here, you goddamn motherfucker? He's like, I raised you better. I raised you. You're supposed to be a man, toy boy. And they're screaming at him. Then he starts breaking all of his toys. He's like, so you sit up here playing with your goddamn toys more important than my goddamn internet? He's just like breaking everything. Oh my god! Me neither. On even. I don't like breaking even. I like either. I'd rather go negative or positive. I don't like breaking even.
Oh, I'm going negative.
I'm probably going negative.
I hate
Dude,
matches.
You're so gay. Not you, this fucking kid.
I hate the matches that I want to break even and go positive. But every time I get a kill, I die, and it's just I hate that. Add him.
Oh, my name is Stringy Zebra. I have a dank Argus.
I have, what's that, 1800?
It's like my KN-44, yeah.
Yeah, I have 1,881 kills with this gun.
That's a dank AK, bro. Every time I try to play the deck, I already die. Oh, my fire break, that was pretty dank, man. Fucking retard, man. Where? So I shoot this guy, right? Because he's like trying to kill my teammate because he's trying to jump over the bus, and Screws up completely trying to jump over the bus. And then when he's doing that, he ends up using his flamethrower, right? And then he's like spraying all over the place, and I just jump over him. It was funny time. God, dude. You stole it! Use my minigun. Ow! What? Okay, that makes sense.
I'm locked in here. Tyler, come up here.
I just died. There's a guy going up. Guy going up with an arm.
Where's the guardian?
Oh, never mind.
I got this place locked down. Oh!
Isa, bro, come on. I don't want to break even. Come on. I don't want to break even. Oh wow!
Oh
That's
my
so
god!
good. Dude, yay.
Yeah. What?
I
No.
went positive.
Oh my god, dude! Look what I went.
Look, I'm like, come on, don't break even, don't break even. I'm like, I don't
Gotcha.
know.
Dude, look at that. Look what I went though.
Yeah, I was gonna use the setup, building. Got all the shit.
I just sitting there.
Your ass, dude. You gonna end up like that guy in campaign who will whip your arms off. A chainsaw.
Ah, doesn't want to work.
Didn't want to work, actually. Dude, the only reason we won is because I played the objective. I was risking
Wow.
my kills for objective, man.
I mean, all I did was I just sat there and just let everybody take the
sat
captures.
Yeah, no, you just sat there. You're like, I'm gonna hold this side. I'm gonna hold this side of the wall.
I was just living
life.
life.
Mongolians break my city wall. We're defending the city wall. We're defending
I'm
the city wall.
defending the shitty wall.